some boy you have to deal with them still. And some boy I hate that. You know sometimes I buck a girl. In a markup. You know buck a girl. You have a current cousin. So you have to go to the
How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're gonna start on the side wall. Now we're gonna continue to try and get the side wall up, and then all we're gonna have left after the side wall is the front. Let me give you a look of what we did yesterday. So as you see here, we have everything set up, brick lined up, nice and tight. This is Chris here setting up the mortar.
Yes sir.
And as you see yesterday, so yesterday we finished the back portion. It's the octagon up there. Closed this off yesterday. We finished our side wall over there. And we finished that house before. If you don't see that video, feel free to go and check those videos where we already upload all the video for that one. Okay guys, let's get started. Enjoy the video. So as you see here, we put our this is a 2x4 post.
Yeah.
That's gonna line the bricks in order for everything to go straight up before we put the stone. Right here is where we're gonna put our stone later on. And here in Canada we don't really put our, I know most places across the world you guys you start your weeping plastic from down the ledge. Once we have concrete here, usually we start 6 inches beneath weeping plastic. That's how we do it out here. And yeah, that's it. We come right with it. We come right there. Okay, Green. Don't let us step down. And really nice. I don't know where you don't want. Great. Start prepare your angle on them.
The first one of brick, what we start with?
Yeah. Oh. Hold on. You know, I'll go see still. Maybe I'll go change you when I get down. Yeah man, I'll come down first. Hey, make a brick stand up straight, Green. I want it to be 100% accurate. Put it right on the point, yeah, and then you start off of that. I want it to be exactly whatever it is, whatever I have. Okay, header. Put it if a header.
Okay, it's like perfect amount. I must cut it off for one.
So we have green on the line right now, guys. Showing you guys how to ban out a foundation.
Hey, me just ask you, you know. And the man them say your time is just coming. Man them know you better than me.
That me did ask you for yesterday, you know. That no go over too much green.
No, man. I'll be right now.
So whatever it is, start the full one from right this side. If I want to look at tiny piece,
yeah,
put
man.
it. Exactly.
I feel leave the.
That's how much down here is.
You see? Oh, no. So far away, you know.
As you see,
Not so
guys,
bad. Because
it's way off the ledge. So what we gotta do here, we gotta step away from the line at least a 1/4 inch. And after we're gonna make a step over. Because you don't wanna have too many hang off the ledge itself. That's maple green we have here on the line, guys. He's from a beautiful country called Jamaica.
Is it Jamaica?
Lots of land, hood and water and pussy. I'm not gonna put it.
Somebody's listening.
You know that it's gonna be a tester here. You watch over this side. Yeah. Your second course will come over. Is that the tester run this way?
Let me see.
Oh, okay. But this a full one if you work with no green. You work with a header over if you start from Yasso. Face of this. Yes, you start from?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. So that's where they know. No, so this a level here, you take one underneath this, you know. So if that is
this is a header. So this is a header, so it's supposed to have a full brick.
What you have here, so? This is one right where they have to know.
Yeah. A header.
A header there, right, so?
Yeah. So you need a full brick, yeah.
There you go, Christopher cut half a brick them better than you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's true, man. Him watch you too much.
I have to give Caesar a blood clot due to Caesar.
He watch you too much. Yesterday, me see my watch you all along, eh?
You know where you are this around green?
What?
Whenever you turn down a brick, always turn the factory part down because that's the part you are going to see.
Yeah,
so if you know, after
not
you look.
In every case.
Oh, you mean? Then look, remember say you have to go giant, you know, but under you say you go see it.
Yeah.
So you always turn the.
In this case.
You know, I'm not record the part, no worries.
Yeah,
so your girl at Jamaica, I go see say you make her hair.
It don't really matter. Girl at Jamaica.
So that's how you get this, you know? What that, a header?
Less than a header, so it can work tight.
So if you tighten this, so maybe you get a header?
Yeah, let's go do that. I was stone here, so?
Yes. People are saying, yeah man, just take your time, you're doing good. What kind of deadline is there, that's a green? I know you're jolly.
You dead?
Like you're cocky.
What time is it?
Look up our attention panel and man if you go to our bill. Some of want to see me in I summer one time I go help out on you. I'm say maybe put one more and then we're gonna put our tar paper here. Oh, you run this out plastic so nasty green? Oh, you run this out plastic yourself? Oh, you not cut off the plastic and hedge your brick all the time? If you do make it to the end of the video, I want to say a big thank you. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, because this is going to be a continuous video. And give the video a thumbs up. It really helps YouTube to recognize the video so others can view and may learn from as well. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one.